2023 marked a significant milestone for foldable phones, with numerous new additions to existing product lines and the introduction of entirely new lines. One notable entry was Google's foray into the foldable market with the Pixel Fold, a sleek book-style phone that hit the shelves in May. This innovative device was powered by Google's in-house Tensor G2 chipset, showcasing the company's commitment to pushing boundaries. Excitement surrounds the upcoming release of the Pixel Fold 2, set to launch this year. Earlier this month, we got our first look at the design for Google's upcoming Pixel Fold 2, and to say it was a shock feels like something of an understatement. A leaked early test model looked completely alien compared to last year's foldable, with a new camera bump and a revised aspect ratio that made the whole thing look more in line with the OnePlus Open than anything branded Pixel. Now we're getting some follow-up renders that double down on this new look, alongside some details surrounding its refreshed size and shape. As per the leaks from OnLeaks and SmartPricks, these renders seem to be straight out of Google's EVT leak, which might just make us reconsider our skepticism about this design. It's understandable to have doubts, especially with the new squared camera bump throwing off the familiar Google style. With the new aspect ratio for the front screen and inner display, the Pixel is getting a fresh makeover. The leaked cover display is said to be around 6.4 inches, a significant increase from the original Pixel Fold's 5.8-inch screen and even larger than the 6.31-inch display on the OnePlus Open. When folded, the alleged device is a major departure from the 2023 model, being much taller and thinner by 15.5 and 1.56 millimeters, while also trimming down its width by about 1.5 millimeters. This makes it the thinnest foldable available in North America, surpassing the OnePlus Open by over a millimeter and bringing it closer in size to last year's OnePlus foldable. Unfortunately, the weight of this new unit remains unknown, a previous weak point in Google's hardware. But let's not forget, this is a foldable device. What about the interior screen? The new model is expected to feature a 7.9-inch display, larger than last year's 7.6-inch screen, with a more square aspect ratio to complement the updated dimensions. The bezels appear slimmer than before, incorporating an in-display camera for a seamless viewing experience. The latest leak reveals a new hinge design that resembles the one used for the OnePlus Open, featuring sleek side bezels that may give the front case a delicate feel. If Google is adopting similar weight reduction techniques for the hinge, we might see a much lighter smartphone compared to last year's model. Time will tell. It seems like we'll have to wait a bit longer before we can actually test it out ourselves. 2023 marked a significant milestone for foldable phones, with numerous new additions to existing product lines and the introduction of entirely new lines. One notable entry was Google's foray into the foldable market with the Pixel Fold, a sleek book-style phone that hit the shelves in May. This innovative device was powered by Google's in-house Tensor G2 chipset, showcasing the company's commitment to pushing boundaries. Excitement surrounds the upcoming release of the Pixel Fold 2, set to launch this year. However, details about this highly anticipated device have been scarce compared to the other 3 Pixel devices expected to debut. Nonetheless, it's not uncommon for smartphone manufacturers to venture into chip development, as it grants them greater control over their products. By creating their own chips, OEMs can ensure extended software support for up to 7 years, among other advantages. Google has already embarked on this path by creating its Tensor chip, which prioritizes neural processing for AI tasks, as evident in their Pixel devices. When the Pixel Fold made its debut in 2023, it boasted the powerful Tensor G2 chip. As rumors circulate about the second iteration of this foldable phone, speculation suggests that it may not be powered by the Tensor G3 chip. The anticipation builds as tech enthusiasts eagerly await further updates on Google's latest foldable masterpiece. We have received information from a confidential source that Google has been conducting internal tests on the Pixel Fold 2 for the past few months. Initially, the foldable device featured Google's Tensor G3 chipset, codenamed Zuma, but recent prototypes have transitioned to the rumored Tensor G4 chipset, codenamed Zuma Pro. This change in development indicates that Google may opt for the Tensor G4 chipset instead of the G3 for the Pixel Fold 2, although nothing is confirmed yet. Interestingly, the early versions of the Pixel tablet also underwent a similar chipset transition, starting with Google's first-generation Tensor chipset and eventually shipping with the second-generation Tensor G2 chipset. The tablet's code name was even changed during development to reflect this shift. Considering this precedent, it is possible that the Pixel Fold 2, currently codenamed Comet, could experience a similar alteration. However, it seems that the launch of the Pixel Fold 2 is still a long way off, and there are doubts about its announcement at the I/O 2024 event this spring. Rumors suggest that the device is still in the engineering validation test phase, which is several steps away from mass production. The report also mentioned that if Google manages to launch the device at I/O, it might still come with a Tensor G3 chipset. However, if the release is scheduled for late summer or fall, the likelihood of it featuring the Tensor G4 chipset increases. No matter when it hits the market, the Pixel Fold 2 is poised to be a formidable contender in the ever-growing foldables industry. Samsung has already made a mark with its Galaxy Z Fold and Flip devices, leveraging their foldable and flip designs to tap into nostalgia and generate excitement. If the Pixel Fold 2 introduces a clamshell design, it could potentially rival Samsung's upcoming Galaxy foldable phone. However, if the Pixel Fold 2 does indeed feature the Tensor G4, it might have received some assistance from Samsung. Rumors suggest that Google has enlisted the help of its competitor to develop the chip, while also working towards a fully custom Tensor chip built by TSMC, expected to debut with the Tensor G5 in 2025. Regardless, what enhancements can we expect from an upgrade to the Tensor G4? While the exact specifications of the upcoming chipset remain unknown, it is anticipated to offer only a modest improvement over last year's Tensor G3. Hopefully, Google will ship its next-generation foldable with the next-generation chipset, as one of the letdowns of the first-generation Pixel Fold was the use of the less powerful Tensor 2 instead of the Tensor G3. We also got to know that the upcoming Pixel Fold 2 is set to come with some impressive upgrades. According to our source, this new device will boast a whopping 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM and 256 gigs of UFS 4 storage. This is a significant improvement compared to last year's Pixel Fold, which only had 12 gigs of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The increase in RAM is particularly noteworthy, as it will be the first time Google has ever released a smartphone with more than 12 gigs of RAM. This upgrade is likely in preparation for the introduction of Google's new AI assistant, Pixie, which is expected to bring a host of on-device AI features. While we know about these specific storage and RAM configurations, there may be other options available for the Pixel Fold 2. Whether it will blend in with the upcoming non-foldable designs remains uncertain. One thing is certain, though: the nostalgic Moleskine vibe of the previous Pixel Fold is a thing of the past. We'll have to wait until closer to the launch date to find out more details. Now, I'm curious to hear your expectations for the upcoming Pixel Fold device. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to stay tuned to my channel for more updates. Until next time, take care and peace out.